I hear the ocean calling softly as it dances to the shore. Every wave a gentle whisper saying, you don't need to fear no more. I have carried heavy burdens all along this winding road, but the water keeps on healing every wound I've never shown. I was drifting without meaning, lost among the winds of fate. Now the sea becomes my teacher, teaching me to elevate. Oh, 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 oh. Footprints fading in the shoreline, washed away like troubled days. Every tide a new beginning, every wave a different phase. I can feel my heart expanding as the breeze runs through my hair. All the dreams I thought were broken start to rise into the air. I am learning to surrender, trust